Heritage Complex of Angaan Ching Eco Park Kakching Heritage Complex Professor Bal Raj Sehgal Memorial Block Inauguration TOUKHRE. Greening the Rocks of Angaan Ching support to Oina Laikiraba Professor Bal Raj Sehgal Gibachanupana Professor Ravinder Sehgal na sponsor Toduna Professor and Mohilal Maitei Dean of Life Science Manipur University na Memorial Block adu inaugurate TOUKHRE. Thoramadu as Bubol Secretary BNet Manipur Amadi KSH Surjit Secretary ADAMS Kakching Su Sarugyaki.
Plant one Unning which is also called Fivia. Following this, the UCSF Medical Center, his family by his side, active as usual, and in the midst of traveling, his death was sudden and unexpected. But Bal Raj had been recently diagnosed with idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis and died due to complications related to influenza. Born in Peshawar in former British India, Bal Raj moved to India during partition and spent his early years there before immigrating to the United States to pursue a doctorate in nuclear engineering at UC Berkeley,